Good morning. This is Anka Metcalf with TradeOutLoud.com. Today is Tuesday, September 3rd, 2013, and it is around 11:25 a.m. Eastern Time. Our favorite trade of the week is dollar yen, and we will talk about the dollar yen currency pair and the trade opportunity for this currency pair. So, as you all know, on Monday, so yesterday, September 2nd, the U.S. markets were closed in observance of Labor Day. But it was a very active trading session for the dollar yen that gained over 30 pips in the Asian and European session and continued to base bullishly throughout the New York session yesterday with clear support under let me just pull in this support line, under $99 support, and you can see the high $99.66. So here's our game plan. You can see that it has gained a lot of strength, breaking the previous support levels that were right here into the 98.50 areas. So it cleared this area yesterday right from the open, right from the beginning, and it pushed really higher into this 99.60 area. So let's take a look at a daily chart just to see, and rather a 4-hour chart to see what is up against. So as you can see right here, we're looking for an entry of 99.70. So this is where we are initiating our first entry into this currency pair. You can see that you can have a first target into 100 price level because we have a lot of resistance. We have a 4-hour resistance that is into this area. So for our first target, we're looking for a 30 pip gain. And we're going to go to the daily chart just to see what our second targets can be in this currency pair. The second target that we're looking at is 100.30, which is this area of resistance from back in July 25th. So at this price level, we're looking for a gain of 60 pips. And if we're going to continue higher, we're going to try to go for 130. 101.30 right here, right into this area. So it's pretty much this congestion area right here from back at the beginning of July. So this is July 8th, right here into this area. So let's go back and recap onto the 1-hour chart. So this is the area that we want to initiate the trade. Okay. Over this high, 99.60. All right, so we had a first test right now. We're going to watch the price action to see how it's stabilized and how it is reacting to the previous, to the open line. If this open line holds, it would have high odds of continuing higher to the targets that we have mentioned. And for this trade, we're looking at approximate risk of 68 pips. So make sure you position size appropriately for this trade. And let's not forget about the geopolitical context and the Fed tapering program that can start as soon as mid-September. That will weigh in on this move and on the currency market. And for this reason alone, I will be looking for smaller targets, and I will be looking to trail a little bit tighter as closer targets to our triggers are most likely going to be reached. And again, we should also pay attention to those areas in particular, how they react to those target levels in order to take pertain decisions, whether it can continue higher or it can retrace. So again, be very ready to book your gains sooner rather than later. All right, so this was all for today. Thank you so much for joining us for our trade of the week. We hope to see you next Monday right here on TradeOutLoud.com channel, on our YouTube channel. It's YouTube/TradeOutLoud. And make sure you visit our Facebook page. We even started this trade earlier yesterday. Well, it was basing at the 99 99.50 and a 99.30 area, and we had our first target at 99.50. Please visit our Facebook page. It's facebook.com/tradeoutloud for more information and follow up on all our trades. This was all for today. Thank you so much for hanging out with us, and see you next time.